Alright, so hello guys, and welcome to this video on market commentary. I'll be breaking down what I'm seeing in the market right now and what I'm anticipating for the week, and also how I am anticipating an approaching price based on the current market conditions. Okay, but before we get into that, let's quickly talk about last week. Last week I was completely on the sidelines. I didn't take a single trade. I was on the sidelines. If you are following up in the public Telegram community, you will know I didn't take a single trade last week, and the reason for that is simple. Probabilities were low for me, and I emphasize a lot. Okay, your number one job as a trader is to be able to assess probabilities, know when the probabilities are low, and you stay out of your market, because that's when you are most likely going to mess things up. So I record a video on market psychology for that. You can check it out. I think I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. Last week, the market was in a situation where I had valid reason to look for longs and at the same time valid reason to look for short. It was basically a 50-50 environment for me, and I will be explaining that in a second. When I have situation like this, when I have both reason to go long and also to short price, that's not the condition I want to trade in. Instead of forcing trade, which are most likely going to lead to a lot of losses, choose to stay patient until price give me or provide more feedback and information before I engage in price. And I emphasize about this a lot. You really don't have to be on the market all the times. The best position is no position. If you learn how to control when you are most likely going to mess up, most likely going to fuck things up, then you'll be better than 95% of traders out there, because none of them are making money. And it's easy for you to make money, but difficult to be able to make the money consistently, because you can't keep the money you've made. Coming into this week, things are starting to make a bit of more sense, and I would like to walk you through what I'm anticipating. Looking at this week's price action, I'm currently viewing it as a form of manipulation. Last week's price action, rather, I'm viewing it as a form of manipulation. We closed the week bearish. Okay, price went below this low, and it's also a reaction from a premium fair value gap, and this is exactly why I said I have valid reason to short and long. My overall trajectory and price is bullish. Okay, and then price reacted to this premium fair value gap, and if you've been following up with my teachings and lectures, you find out that I talk about premium and discount. Premium, where price react to. If you're looking to be a seller, if you're looking to short price premium level, you're looking to sell at a premium, and that's exactly what happened. This premium fair value gap, price reacted from this premium fair value gap, and then this sell off. And also in the other hand, hard price went below, sell side liquidity, and continuation to the upside. Most likely when you had a runs on stop, most likely going to see a continuation to the upside, and so this is another reason to go long. So when things get confusing like this, the best move for you is to move to the sidelines and wait for more information and more feedback on price before engaging. So going into this week, I am anticipating continuation to the upside, because our overall trajectory, our overall anticipation, our overall bias on price is bullish, and I would like to be a buyer for this week. But before that, what I'm interested in seeing is a closure above this high, because this is really not looking good. Okay, we had a run on this high and then price quickly rejects. So I'd like to see price stick out this high, and then I'm looking at this high right here for this week to get taken out. So this is my draw liquidity and my thesis in price going into this week. And also I'm open to seeing price. Okay, if it doesn't really provide me with this I'm looking for, I'm completely staying out, moving to the sidelines. Now, in terms of fundamental this week, the major high impact news release we have is NFP on Friday. So this is the only high impact release we have for the week. But like I mentioned before, these schedules news events haven't really been driving the kind of volatility we used to see. And the big reason for that is the current geopolitical environment and larger macro factors at play right now influencing the market. So while I'll still be aware of NFP, it's not my primary focus. So this is it for this week, guys, and make sure you like and subscribe, okay, for more videos like this, and I'll see you into next one.